video we will see how to fix error too many models 2140xD6 on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute these three DISM tool one by one followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And once successfully execution of this DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc slash scan now, and press enter. It will scan your computer for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type msconfig, msconfiz. It will open system configuration windows. Click on OK. From the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Choose disable all. Thereafter again go to top menu bar and choose startup. Click manager. Task manager window will now open. Here under startups apps, look for any enabled startup apps. Scroll down, and if you found any enabled startup app, simply select it and choose disable from the top. Finally, close the task manager windows and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch run dialog box by pressing Win plus R. Click on start button and choose run. And here type RSTRUI. This command will open system restore windows. Click on OK. And restore system files and settings window will now open. System restore can help fix problem that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Click on next and choose a restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Select a restoration point. You may check against show more restore points and choose your restore point on your system. This will bring you back to that activity. So select it and choose next. Finally, confirm your restoration point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. And finally, click on finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration point. Your error will definitely be resolved. That's all.